In this video, I will show you how to apply for a Home Depot job online. So to do this, just open up your browser and search for Home Depot careers, and then go and click on the Home Depot careers. Now from there, it will take you right here. Now what you can do is select an open job such as designer, cashier, freight and receiving, or a lot associate. Or what you can do is either enter your address, city, state or zip, or search for remote roles, whichever one you want. And then go and click on go, and then from there it will show you available jobs. For example, I've added the state of New York, and you can see there are 734 results. You can also filter by keywords, building number, or for example location type, job category, or job type. So for example, if you want to work in store and distribution, you can select that, and then they will show jobs for that. So I'll just go and click one of these, such as the merchandising one right here. And now here you have the overview of the job as well as the benefits. So for example, a 401k savings plan with company match. And if you want to then go ahead and apply, you can just click on apply, and then it will take you to this page. Now from here, you most likely don't have an account yet, so then just gonna click on don't have an account, enter your email, password again, and select a question. So this is basically how they will verify if it's you logging in, such as what is the name of your first school, and then enter the answer, and then enter the answer and click continue. And from there you can then go and apply. So sometimes you will need to upload a profile picture, add some details about yourself, just go through the application, and after submitting it, you will then have applied for a Home Depot job online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.